I said, okay, well, all right, then give me the hottest one you got. And she stopped and she told me, and I quote, "They're really spicy. Are you sure?" And I said,
"Wedges growing apart, aren't we? Wedges breaking apart."
It's a Friday afternoon when I'm filming this video right after work, so you know I'm hungry. And I had a weird one today. I got a weird craving today because, well, it's weird to me. It's not gonna be weird to some of y'all. Y'all probably used to this, but I never really eat chicken sandwiches. I'm gonna give you a few minutes to let that process that. I just don't really eat chicken sandwiches that much, or go to like one of those chicken spots, you know. I don't often go to like Popeye. I don't often go to Church's Chicken, anything like that. So today I decided, you know what, let's get a hot and spicy chicken. Hopefully they got something around the something that's like, I'm kind of hoping for the chicken or the chicken patty, the fried chicken patty, to be dipped in buffalo sauce. That'd be nice, but if it's not, I'm gonna just go for a hot and spicy chicken. I think what I'm most afraid of is that the chicken ends up being dry. That's really what I fear the most. I eat a lot of chicken already, so you know, the last thing I want is to pay for chicken and it ends up being dry, right? So that's my only like concern. But anyways, today we are trying out Firebirds, or a chicken sandwich from Firebirds. All right, I didn't film much inside because I get nervous. And it's awkward to have this. I have the Osmo 4 that I'm recording on, and it is big and bulky. It is big and bulky, and it looks like you up to something professional, and it just puts everyone out of ease, and I don't want that. Puts me out of ease. So I didn't record too much inside, but got the receipt right here. Firebirds, this is where it's at. I spent $9.29. including a dollar tip for two-piece sliders. Now they do go by levels like I had originally thought, but you can't mix and match. So you can't. I'm not gonna be able to tell you what the mild or the medium tastes like, because you know I had to do it for y'all. I went straight for the spiciest. So I said, all right, well then give me the hottest. Give me the hottest one you got. Here's a little to-go box. And I said, okay, well, all right, then give me the hottest one you got. And she stopped and she told me, and I quote, "They're really spicy. Are you sure?" And I said, yes, I'm sure. Yes, I'm sure. Give it to me. Give it to me. I just opened the box. They smell good. Definitely opening my appetite. The chicken looks dry, but I don't know too much about fried chicken. I don't eat too much fried chicken. Maybe that's how it's supposed to look. It doesn't look bad. It just looked a little dry. I can't really show. Oh, there you go. I can show y'all like this. I hope I don't tip it over one of these days. But this right here is $10. These hey, chill. Two sliders for $10 basically. And here you go. It's got the coleslaw, the pickle, and the hottest fire sauce. They go by levels. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a big bite on this side. Ooh, I hope they gave us napkins. I didn't check. Here we go. She warned me about how hot the sauce is, but I don't care because I gotta do it for y'all. Well, that tastes good. That tastes good. Forget what I said about the chicken looking dry. Just my eyes playing tricks on me. Ooh, that's spicy. Ooh, that's spicy. It has an after kick. I feel it in the back of my throat. Call me Nicki Minaj, but I feel it in the back of my throat, man. I'm swelling up. Ooh, it's swelling up. Oh, I feel it in my chest. Oh, that's spicy. Ooh, that's spicy, man. Oh, that tastes good though. Oh yeah. Oh, this is good. I just scooped up some of the coleslaw right there. Oh, I'm gonna have heartburn in a few minutes, bro. Oh yeah, my tongue feels sensitive now. Oh wow, woo! Oh, I don't know if the camera will capture it, but there's a tear right there. I'm crying. You got me crying. I'm sure if you're maybe Hispanic or from Thailand, this ain't gonna be too bad for you. I'm Hispanic, but I'm pretty whitewashed, so. Oh my gosh, this is spicy, bruh. Don't comment about my pasty tongue, okay? Oh, that's spicy, bruh. It's making me slow down. Can I finish this? Can I finish? It's a little slider too. I'm struggling with this little slider, bro. I'm crying. My slider fell apart. Oh man, it fell apart. Oh man. That was delicious though. The breading, I really like the breading. If you like like a huge dramatic crunch in your fried chicken breading, then this probably ain't it for you. But for me, I feel the breading is good. It's like a good ratio of meat to bread. Bro, I am crying. You see that? You see that droplet? I'm freaking crying, bro. Holy cow, I haven't even finished this tiny little slider. My tongue's on fire. Ah, man, why y'all make me eat spicy every time? Bro, my channel better not turn into a spicy themed channel, bro. I can't handle spice like that. Y'all need to stop making me get the spicy stuff. I'm telling you, bruh. My spice tolerance is not high like other Hispanics, bro. It's not low, like it's not super low either, but it sure as heck ain't high like my other fellow Hispanics. Ooh, man. All right, I'm calmed down a bit. I calmed down a bit. The good thing is that it's on a Hawaiian roll. Whew. It's on a Hawaiian roll, so that helps. My my people, that was a struggle from how hot it was. I still got another one. Whew. I'm crying out of my eyes. I'm crying out of my nose. I wouldn't be surprised if later on I'm gonna be crying out of my butt. Whoo, man. I still got a whole nother slider too. I thought, oh man. This is what it must feel like to date one of those short Latinos with attitude. Ooh, small but spicy, bruh. I have to I'm going slow because it's so hot. Oh, I can't. My tongue is damaged. I gotta set that down for a minute. I gotta set that down for a minute because my tongue is burnt. Damn. That spice got me sucking water out of this like it's the Chi-Chi of life. Ooh. Ah, man. Y'all ain't got no mercy on me, bruh. Ah, so good though. I think if I wanted to enjoy it, probably go for the medium. I think the mild is an exaggeration, right? It's too low. The hot is obviously too hot. I think the medium, bruh. That's why I wanted to get one super spicy and the other one's medium or mild, but they don't let you do that. They're like, no, it has to be one or the other. Why it gotta be one or the other? Just use the different sauce. Like, I don't understand. But I don't know. They must have a reason. Ooh. Ooh. I gotta chew it fast because it hurts. I scoop up some of this coleslaw. Hopefully that helps. But the coleslaw full of that fire sauce that they got. That's what it's called. I'm not saying that it's fire sauce, although it does taste very good. For the few seconds that I was able to taste. But it's called fire sauce. The coleslaw helps. The coleslaw definitely helps. I can't, bro. I had to like psych myself up to take another bite. Dry my nose. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. I get itchy. I get itchy when I eat something too hot. Oh, my burp was spicy. It low-key got into my airways. Oh my gosh. Just turned into an ASMR, a spiced out ASMR, like just me trying to blow vacuum in air into my tongue. I might be hyperventilating. I'm not even sure, honestly. Man, there's like a big, it's got a lot of sauce on there. Oh my gosh. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. That's not a joke. That's not a joke. Oh, I'm not even being funny for the camera or nothing. I can't breathe because my nostrils is clogged. Not clogged, but it's just like, whoo, I got runny nose. I got runny nose. I might get a fever. I think I got cold sweats. How the heck I got cold sweats already? Oh, every bite hurts. Every bite hurts so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't even breathe. Oh my gosh. My lips. Oh my gosh, my lips. I'm not kidding. I'm not exaggerating now. Every bite hurts. I got like 2 more bites left. I hope I locked my doors because I'm not in a good area. I'm on a bad area. Ah. I can't feel it no more. Ooh, I can't talk no more. I can't feel it no more. Oh, my tongue feels swollen. Oh, man. The things back here, I think they're called larynx. The larynx. Ooh. They swollen. They swollen. I wish I could stop right now, but I got 1 bite left. I can't even taste it no more. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to put a caution. Oh man, I'm not exaggerating right now. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. This is not an exaggeration. Ah. I need the water. I need the water. I'm so desperate, it's going down the wrong hole. Ah. Ah. Nah, y'all crazy for this. Y'all crazy for this. Ooh, man. Y'all wrong for this one, honestly. My breath feel hot. My breath feel hot. I can't even keep my eyes open. Excuse me. Holy cow. I got those Kylie Jenner lips. They were already succulent before. They succulent now. Woo! My saliva spicy right now. Ooh. I could kill somebody with the French kiss right now. Ooh, if I French them, they die. They gonna die. I feel atomic. Nah, this is ridiculous, bro. I'm about to go back in there and ask them, yo, how long till I get my taste back? Till I get my taste buds back? Is this permanent damage? I didn't sign no waiver. I'll sue this place because I got no taste buds no more. I ain't never been made to cry over a chicken sandwich. I ain't never been brought to tears over a chicken sandwich, bruh. Oh my goodness. Oh, my nose. My breath is hot. My saliva spicy. My nose is clogged and runny at the same time. I don't even know how that's possible. That just defines the laws of physics, I think. I don't know. I've never taken physics. No, not a single class. Well, anyways, I think I can muster up enough strength to give them the Musha Reviews rating. I can't breathe. I can hardly breathe. But with my last breath, I'm gonna give them the rating. Yo, that was delicious. That was crazy spicy, but that was delicious. I'm gonna give that a 9. I'll give that a 9 because that's pretty pricey, bro. I think the price is pretty high, but it's that inflation. I don't think it's really their fault. What do y'all think? $10 for 2 sliders? I'm gonna tell y'all right now. If you ask me, am I full? I'm gonna tell you I'm not hungry, but I'm definitely not full. And I just spent $10. For $10, I feel like I should be full, right? But I'm not hungry. Like, it's a pretty decent amount, but I'd probably need a dessert. It's nice if you want to have dessert after. It's the perfect size if you want to have dessert after. So that's good too. You can view it like that. But anyways, this was Firebirds in City Heights. In the City Heights area of the city of San Diego. Come give it a try. Unless you know you can handle, if you know you have a high tolerance of spice, bro, it got me stuttering, okay? So unless you know you are confident that you can handle a high tolerance of spicy, they ordered a spicy because the spicy was very tasty, right? If you like me, you can handle some spice, but not no freaking fire extinguisher kind of level of spice. I'd probably say go for the medium. Like, the next time I come by, I'm gonna go for the medium, and I'm probably gonna enjoy it a lot more. Don't get me wrong, I enjoyed this, but just with my personal tolerance, it'd be more enjoyable for a medium. It's the right amount of kick. It would be the right amount of kick. But you know, I gotta do the spicy for y'all. I had to do the spicy for y'all. But anyways, I'm very satisfied with this place. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 for Firebirds. Come check it out. That's a review. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate y'all for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.